Hello guys, I want to show you today a few things that I developed in the last few months, and it's ready to sell and you can enjoy it. The first of all is the Jager Generation 6 is already on the market. This is the product. It's 50 amp until 60 amp. It depends on the battery how much is stronger. Very powerful controller that squeeze the motor to the maximum we can. And today I'm going to connect it two controllers together to make system from OX to OXO, or if you just want to upgrade your OXO that limited on his speed and you want to squeeze the system to the maximum. So for this one I will need a few things. New controller, Jager Generation 6, slave controller for the second motor in the front motor, T-cable, and we are ready to go. So what we need to do is like this. First of all, find the main cable that goes in the scooter, take it out. Disconnect it from the original controller. Take the controller that Jager supplied, the Generation 6, and connect it connect it to the T-cable, First of all, to the T-cable. The T-cable, go for here, make sure you close the screw until the end. The continue cable on the other side will go directly to the same place that you can connect it, to the main protocol cable, where is the display and all the protocol connected. And we take the slave controller and we connect it to the same place. You can have a plug that go inside. You have pin here and pin here, and you connect it. Now the system is ready to connect to the motor. So we take we take the original back motor, add it to the Generation 6 controller, because this is the most powerful and the main, color to color, as you know. Plug and play. Sensor of the motor. This is the sensor of the motor. As you see here, you have the yellow color and the yellow color here. So make sure on the same direction, yellow to yellow. And push until the end. Make sure it's sitting tight. If it doesn't sit in tight, you will have error in the center of the sensor. The second motor is here. Just put it outside and I show how I connect it on the same system, yellow to yellow. Green. Blue. And sensor. This is the sensor, again the same colors, yellow to yellow. Until the end, make sure it's sitting tight. Now we need just connect the power. So usually on the OXO there is two exits from the battery, but if somebody have OX and you want to upgrade, you will need to take another T cable from us to have power to the both of the controller. So first you connected the slave, and when you start to connect the main, you will have like a small shortcut, but actually it's not a shortcut, it's the power that goes inside the cable inside the controller. That's what I'm talking about. Until the end. Okay, now everything is connected. We have our display NFC. It's applied with the throttle. It's applied with NFC card and operation. The red button here, I push it here one time. Take the NFC, attach it to the screen. Now I have it, and we are ready. So in one speed, you will have